Gold Eagle actual. Shadow 1 is weapons hot. We're burning daylight here.
Copy, Graves. Stand by. Laswell, do we have confirmation?
Watcher 1 to Bravo 07. You in position?
Nearly there. Got a heli incoming.
That's General Cabrani.
Right on time. Now get up there and let's see what he's up to in the middle of nowhere.
I'm eyes on.
What do you see?
Armed personnel, armor and hardware, all Russian.
What the hell are the Russians doing with Gorbrani?
Supply in Iran. It's an arms deal.
You copying this, Shadow 1?
Affirmative. 2 birds, 1 stone.
We need positive ID on Cabrani before we kick this off, boys.
Ghost, can you identify the general?
Armed escorts around 1 VIP. Russians are very happy to see him.
It'll be the last time they do.
Ghost.
Visual on General Gabrani.
Copy. All stations, target confirmed.
Shadow 1, you are cleared hot for launch.
Roger that, actual.
Ghost, you are danger close to the zone. This arrow is gonna pack a punch.
Copy approved. Send it.
All stations, Shadow 1. Missile is ready for immediate delivery.
Stand by for launch. Coordinates in. Target designated. 2,
1. Got out! Missile in blue.
Good. Target acquired. This will take some manual guidance to hold her. Missile bearing northeast at 065 degrees at Mach 3. Altitude 500 meters.
You're right in the pocket. Stay with it.
Check. Coming in hot. Brace for impact. Time to target 5 seconds. Termination in 3, 2, 1.
Fucking hell. Direct. Target destroyed.